In this video, I'm going to show you how to use audio ducking in OBS Studio so your background music automatically lowers in volume when you speak. Audio ducking uses a compressor filter on your background music source, triggered by your microphone audio, to reduce music volume when you talk. So first of all, as you can see, I've added my input device or microphone in the source section. Then I'm just adding a media source for my background music. So I'm selecting the music file from my computer. Okay, here we can see my background music successfully added. You can just increase or decrease your background music volume from here. Now, come to this audio mixer section, and in this list, you have to find out your microphone. So just click on this three dot under your microphone and click on filters. Here click on this plus icon and add this compressor filter. Now in compressor filter settings ratio, give 10:1, threshold around -80 to -20, attack 5 to 10 ms, release 200 to 500, and output gain just leave it as it is 0 dB, and sidechain ducking source, click here and select your microphone. Now just click on close, and that's it. Now just play background music, speak into your mic, music volume should drop automatically. Stop speaking, music returns to normal. And that's how you can actually do it.